to mathematics part A, number theory, number system, closure property of addition A plus B, closure property of subtraction A minus B, closure property of multiplication A to B, closure property of division A divided by B, commutative property of addition A plus B is equals to B plus A, commutative property of subtraction A minus B is not equals to B minus A, commutative property of multiplication A into B is equals to B into A, commutative property of division A divided by B is not equals to B divided by A, added to identity if A plus 0 equals 0 plus A equals A, then this 0 is additive identity of A. Multiplicative identity, if A into 1 is equals to 1 into A equals A, then 1 is multiplicative identity of A. Additive inverse, if A plus minus A is equals to minus A plus A equals 0, then minus A is additive inverse of A. Multiplicative inverse, if A into 1 by A equals 1 by A into A equals 1, then 1 by A is multiplicative inverse of A. Distributive law, A whole of B plus C is equal to AD plus B AC. Relation between LCM and HF. LCM into HF is equals to product of two numbers. Dividend rule. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Logarithm 0 rule. Log base 3 of 1 is equals to 0. Fractions. Adding fraction. A by B plus C by D is equals to AD plus BC by BD. Subtracting fraction. A by B minus C by D is equals to AD minus BC by BD. Arithmetic, commercial, math, profit is equal to selling price minus cost plus loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Simple interest, P by 100. P means principal, T means time, R means rate of interest. Converted from kilometer per hour to meter per second and meter per second to kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour, X into 5 by 18 meter per second, X meter per second, X into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Relation between speed, time and distance. Speed is equals to distance by time. Distance equals to speed into time. Time is equals to distance by speed. Geometry. Triangle area. Area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 base into height square units. Equilateral triangle area. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square units. Perimeter. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equals to 3a units. Rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth square units. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 whole of length plus breadth. Square. Area of square is equals to a square units. Perimeter of square is equals to 4a units. Cube. Volume cube is equals to a cube cubic units. Algebraic expression. Conversion. Algebraic expression. Squaring the binomial. A square plus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A cube of binomial. A cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Exponents. Law of exponents. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m into b to the power of m is equals to a into b whole to the power of m. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is equals to a divided by b whole to the power of m. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. A to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. Sum of roots. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Product of roots. Alpha into beta is equals to c by a. Matrix. 0 and a matrix. A is equals to C matrix 0 0 0 0. Symmetric matrix. Matrix Cij is equal to matrix Aj. Skew symmetric matrix. Matrix Cij is equal to minus matrix Aj. Transpose of matrix. A transpose whole transpose equals to A, where A is any matrix. AB whole A plus or minus or equals B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus or minus or equals B transpose, where A and B are of same order. AB whole K whole transpose equals to K into A transpose, where K is any scalar. AB whole transpose equals to A transpose B transpose, where A and B are conformable matrix. AB whole transpose equals to A transpose B transpose, where A and B are a conformable matrix, orthogonal matrix. A into A transpose equals to I is equals to A transpose into A. Combinations. Inverse of matrix. A inverse is equals to adjoint by determinant A. Progression. Arithmetic progression n term. A plus whole of n minus 1 whole d. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean of b is equals to a plus c by 2. Nth term of gp. N is equals to a to the power of n minus 1. Combinations. Permutation. If n is a non-integer, 0 factorial is equals to 1. Permutation. NPR is equals to n factorial by n minus 1 whole factorial into r factorial if for 0 lesser than r lesser than n. Circular permutation. N minus 1 whole factorial combination NCR is equals to n factorial by n minus 1 whole factorial into r factorial if 0 lesser than r lesser than n. Things taken any of times 2 to the power of n. Things taken at least one time 2 to the power of n minus 1. Thank you.